Hello children, now we will study about axis and origin. Here it is x o x dash y o y dash. O is called the origin. These are the points 1, 2, 3, 4 along x-axis, y-axis, negative x-axis and negative y-axis. Now how we will define positive and negative? O is called the origin, whose points are 0 and 0. Now OX, it is positive. It is called the first quadrant. It is called the first quadrant where value of x is positive and value of y is positive. If this is our base, above positive, along this side positive. So x is positive, y is also positive. This is our called second quadrant. Here value of x is negative. Just see along this side. Value of x negative, value of y is positive because it is upside. And this is called our third quadrant where both x is negative and y is also negative. X negative, y downside, it's also negative. And it is called our fourth quadrant where x is positive, value of y is negative. So these are our quadrant. O is called the origin. Coordinates of point A are value of x and y axis. Here along the 0 origin, x is also positive, y is positive and point is 0. Now if we have to find any other point, how we will find? Suppose we have to find this point. Name it as point A. Now just mark these points. Along x it moved 2 points, along y it also moved 2 points but in the positive direction. So coordinate of point A are value of x 2, value of y 2. Now how we will define this point? See. Now movement along x, y and movement along y, just see. This is the point B. If then what will be the point B? Value of x is 1, positive 1. Value of y is -3. So this point will represent 1 and -3. Now in this point, what will this point represent? This point is D. Now see, 0, -1, -2, -3. Value of x is -3 and what is the value of y? See, 2. So this point represent -3 and 2. Means value of x is 3, negative side -3 and value of y is 2. Now any other point, see this point, name it as C. Now how we will represent this point? Now my C point, value of x is negative, value of y is also negative. 2 points, 2 points. So point C is -2, -2. Value of x -2, value of y -2. So in the first quadrant, both the points positive, x and y. In the second quadrant, x is negative, y is positive. Third quadrant, both are negative. And in fourth quadrant, x, just see, x is along downside. Sorry, x is along positive side and y is along downside, means negative. So x1, y -3 means positive, negative. This whole system we will understand in our next classes also. So please do take care and understand it.